They say kids.
Making simple sentences using action words. Part 2. This video is about how to make simple sentences using action words. Part 1 link is given in the description box. Here some action words are given. In this video, we are going to make sentences using the given action words. Eat. I eat fruit every morning. Watch. He watches television daily. See. I can see my car. Write. She writes a letter. Sing. Sheila sings very happily. Sleep. I sleep on my bed. Run. Tom can run faster than Jerry. Dance. The girls dance to the music. Draw. Benny draws a cartoon picture in his drawing notebook. Shop. I shop grocery items in the supermarket with my sister. Talk. I talk to my school friends. Cook. Bill cooks dinner for me. Swim. I can't swim in the river. Travel. We travel to Switzerland by plane. Study. They study French. We will discuss how to make sentences for many other keywords in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.